For our project, we use Netcraft, which helps protect you against phishing scams. Netcraft has successfully blocked over 69 million phishing sites, 1.3 billion websites surveyed monthly, and 25 years of keeping networks secure. As we go down the first page, you see that Netcraft provides mobile support for Apple and Android, browser support, and we will be using Google Chrome, and email support with Windows and Google. Netcraft is used by 45 plus countries around the world, is the 11th largest bank worldwide, and 4th most valuable company worldwide. Steps Netcraft uses to protect you against anti-phishing is first to detect. They use a synchronized detection method to identify phishing attacks, malware, online fraud, impersonation, and trademark infringement. The second step they use is disrupt. They remove a wide range of fraudulent content, including but not limited to phishing websites, domain, social media accounts, phone numbers, mobile apps, and leaked confidentials. Third step is dissect. They intercept stolen credentials and analyze the code targeting your logins, URLs, confidential stores, and consistently improving the detection method they use. Fourth is defend. Netcraft endpoint protection solutions use the live feed to keep you protected from threats until the attacks have been neutralized. Netcraft protects against a wide range of fraudulent activity, including phishing, malware, impersonation, and email fraud. Some current statistics on Netcraft are there have been 5 million attack takedowns, 100 countries use this, 75 cybercrime attack types, and 1/3 of the global phishing takedowns have been done by Netcraft. Netcraft services include cybercrime disruption, security testing, and internet data mining. Netcraft has specific steps to defend against each type of cyber threat that may occur in each category. Their goal is to protect as many people as they can from cybercrimes with their software. Now we will show you how to download Netcraft on Google Chrome. Before downloading Netcraft, they share a few reasons why you should use them. To protect your savings from phishing attacks, protect your credit card information from being stolen, and to see the host location and risk rating of every site you visit. The Netcraft software includes site reports, risk ratings, and additional information about the site, including country, site rank, and the date in which the site was first seen. You can also choose to report suspected phishing sites by clicking at the bottom of the report, and this will notify Netcraft to investigate that website. Now we are going to click on the Google Chrome icon. I already have it downloaded. It says remove from Chrome, but if you're downloading it for the first time, it should say download. Netcraft report will be at the top right-hand corner. I'm going to open another Google tab and type in Albany, clicking on the first link. When we get to the page, we go to the top right-hand corner. The report shows that the Albany website is an American website and has a risk rating of 0, which means the website is secure and has no risk of a phishing scam. Now I'm going to go to Amazon. You can see Amazon is another American site and has a site rank of 30 and a risk rating of 0, as well as the bar above the risk rating is completely green, meaning it is a secure website also. We will go to another website called gifts.com. This site is located in the Netherlands and also has a risk rating of 0, as well as a full green bar, which means it is another secure website without the fear of a phishing scam. Now we will go to one more site that may contain fraudulent activity as determined by the report from Netcraft. This report shows that it is another American site but has a risk rating of 1 and has a little bit of red within the green bar, meaning that it may contain some fraudulent activity. Now that we have talked about Netcraft software for Google Chrome, I will show you how Netcraft has a platform for mobile devices including Apple and Android. Netcraft states by analyzing log files recorded from phishing sites, Netcraft found that over 2/3 of visits to phishing sites were from mobile devices. As said earlier, over 69 million unique phishing sites have been detected and blocked by Netcraft's system to date. Netcraft's malicious site feeds are used by all major web browsers and many of the leading antivirus, content filtering, web hosting, and domain registration companies. The everyday user can download Netcraft on their mobile device through the Google Play Store, Amazon App Store, or Apple App Store. Netcraft's ultimate goal is to protect customers against anti-phishing and cyber threats. Netcraft is the leading company to protect both types of platforms against fraudulent activities. They make their software very easy for the everyday user to have access to, as well as companies.